This proposal is called Catalyst Learning Management System for Skill Acquisition and Contribution Tracking. This proposal addresses the specific process of Catalyst, right? This means reviewers, this means proposers, eventually DREPs, and all these roles that we've seen taking place in this fund, right? We see that it's a good process, it's a good initiative, but I personally think from experience, and I think people would agree, that there could be an easier onboarding process, that we could motivate reviewers to be more prepared and better qualified to assume these different roles, whether that be moderator, community reviewer, even a proposer, right? Could go through a process of learning what is expected of a proposal, what are the minimum requirements to get a decent or a coherent proposal up on the platform. And that could be recorded, and as I've been saying, in a different in a token, right, in an identifier, and this would help vet in some way proposers, community reviewers, moderators, any role that is taking place in within Project Catalyst. They would have to go, or they could go, let's say, through this process of a onboarding, building background knowledge, specialization, and contribution aspect of the program. So. Like I've been saying, this is automatic on-chain tracking skills and contributions. So this all gets recorded in your token. So as you learn, you get rewarded either by rewards or by real experience going into your token. So in your token, it literally would say this person can solve X problem. As we've seen in the diagram, the mastery-based assessments are based on I can, I will, or I know how to do certain things. That is the approach of project-based learning, is I can statements, which just means that you've mastered, you know, and understand enough of a subject to show mastery in that subject, so that you dominate the subject and you can solve problems with the knowledge that you have about it. That is sort of what creates this incentivization for creativity, because we know that problems don't just have one solution. Real problems have a variety of solutions. You can approach it from different ways, and different people are going to have different solutions for those problems. So this is what we hope to get from this approach. This is a 271,000 ADA proposal for 6 months of work. And this is the main cost driver is, again, it's curriculum development, it's PBL, and for different roles. So that would require a bit of time, and so overhead for that proposal.